Hi guys, here most of them get answer 168 for this problem in wrong order. Here 5 times 2 power 3 is 8 plus here 4 power 2 times 3. Here 5 times 8 is 40 plus here 4 power 2 times 3. Here 40 plus 4 power 2 is 16 times 3. Here 40 plus 16 is 56 times 3. Here 56 times 3 is 168 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 168 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this operation. Here 5 times here 2 power 3 is 8 plus here 4 power 2 is 16 times 3. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplications only. So we have to do this multiplications before this addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this one. So we have to do this first. Next this one. So 5 times 8 is 40 plus 16 times 3. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So here 16 times 3 is 48. Here 40 plus 48 is 88 is the correct answer.